Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Vlastimil made a request in the comments for Tractor Supply. Thank you Vlastimil for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $26 billion, Tractor Supply is a S&P 500 company within the specialty retail industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 13.4%. Earnings growth, 21.4%. Earnings estimates, 13.6%. Return on capital, 19.85%. Debt to free cash flow, 7.68 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.56%. Payout ratio, 24.13%. Growth rate, 20.9%. Growth years, 11 years. That gives Tractor Supply 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Tractor Supply is modestly overvalued. What's your thoughts on Tractor Supply in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.